Right, we will discuss the qualification of partnership group. Shall we first read the question? Read and understand first. A and B were partners, shared profits and losses in the ratio of 3:2. C joined the partnership on 1st January 2019. New partnership agreement is given below. New profit sharing ratio among A, B and C is 2:1. Interest on capital is 10%. Annual salary of each partner is rupees 5,000. No entry was made in books except recording capital introduced by C. That means the amount of capital introduced by C they have accounted, but no other entries they have recorded in books. Trial balance as at 31st December 2019 is given below. Capital balances AB, cash brought by C, then current accounts. Loan given by A, net profit, debtors, land, furniture. Then provision for depreciation, that is on 31st December 2019. In this question also you see they have calculated the profit for the year ended 31st December 2019. Additional information number 1. Goodwill on C's admission was valued at rupees 120,000. Adjustment should be recorded to partners' capital accounts. A given the loan of on 1st/7/2019 at the annual interest of 20%. No entry had been made in books with respect to interest on that loan. C has taken his salary in cash during the whole year. The total amount had been debited to salary and wages during the year. Cash drawings of B rupees 10,000 had not been accounted. All partners have agreed to transfer rupees 20,000 to general reserve before appropriation of profit among partners. Required, calculate the correct net profit for the year ended 31st December 2019. Profit and loss appropriation, partners capital account, current account for the year ended 31st December 2019. Statement of financial position as at 31st December 2019. When reading the question, always remember the very important part is the date the new partner admitted to the partnership. At the beginning of the question, you see in the second line, the second sentence actually, that says A and B were partners, shared profits and losses in the ratio of 3:2. C joined the partnership on 1st January 2019. You are given the trial balance on 31st December 2019. With that it is clear the new partner has joined the partnership at the beginning of the accounting year. Right? So, these are the statements they require us to calculate. First, the net profit rectification statement. This is draft profit. Additions and deductions. Then the net, correct profit. This is the appropriation. This is the profit and loss appropriation account. As the new partner came at the beginning of the year, when you share the profit, those should be shared among all the partners including C. Right? C also joined at the beginning of the accounting year. Therefore, I prepare the appropriation for A, B and C partnership. Profit and loss appropriation account for the year ended 31st December 2019. Start with net profit. Then this is a SOP. ABNC partnership SFP as at 31st December 2019. 2019. Now, non-current assets, cost, accumulated depreciation and book value. Current assets, capital balances and current account balances. Non-current liabilities, finally current liabilities. In the top. Then in addition to this, we want the partners, capital and current accounts. Right. Those capital and current accounts. Right. These are the statements you have to prepare. Shara says she has got the SFP total as 890,000. We will see Shara whether it is correct. Who else got the answers? Right, then start with the first adjustment. See the first adjustment. Number 1. Initial details are given. First, see the trial balance given to you for the net profit they have calculated. The calculated net profit is given, right? That is 230,000. You can put this 230,000 here in the net profit verification. 230. This is the one you have to verify. Now see the other things, errors, and put the opening balances as well. Capital account opening balance 200 for A. For B it is 200. There is no opening balance for C. But here cash brought by C is 100,000. Question says at the beginning, C joined the partnership at the beginning. No entry was made in books except recording capital introduced by C. That means capital brought by C has been recorded. Right? Therefore, that 100 you can see here. This is capital introduction. Can say cash or something. Record the opening balances in partners' current accounts, those are 30 each. Then, see the other details. Goodwill on C's admission was valued at 120. How to adjust the goodwill? Last week I discussed. Right, those parts I have already discussed in the last week, the goodwill adjustment. How to adjust the goodwill? That should be credited to partners' capital account according to the old ratio, and those should be debited to new profit sharing ratios among all the new partners. So the old ratio is 3:2. That 120,000 should be credited according to that ratio, 3:2. 120,000 should be credited here. Goodwill. That is 72 and 40, right? And 48. Debit according to the new profit sharing ratio that is given. New profit sharing ratio is 2:2:1. Again, 2:2:1. 12, 48, 48, 24. 48, 48 and 24. Goodwill. Credited according to old ratio and debited according to new profit sharing ratio. Next. A has given, right? A has given the loan on 1/7/2019 at the annual interest of 20%. No entry had been made in books with respect to the interest on that loan. Now there is a problem. See the loan given by A. This is loan given by A, that is 100,000. When the partner provides a loan to the partnership, on this loan you have to calculate interest. Here the interest rate is given. In case it is not given, you have to compute the interest at 5%. But here the interest rate is given, that is 20%. This is 20%. But you cannot calculate the interest for the whole year. The reason is the date A gave the loan is 1/7/2019. Calculate interest only for 6 months. Right. From 1/7/2019, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Only 6 months remaining from the date he gave the loan. Therefore, calculate interest for 6 months. This is 10. This should be the interest on the loan given by A. Therefore, this 10, you have to consider when you rectify the profit. The interest is an expense that they haven't recorded when calculating the profit. Therefore, this 10 should be deducted here. Interest. This is the interest which they haven't yet considered. Then, in addition to the interest deduction here, the other part is that should be payable. It is payable to A. Until it is paid, deducted, the right of A is increased. Interest. Interest receivable to A. That amount is receivable. Next. Then see the next adjustment. C has taken his salary in cash during the whole year. The total amount had been debited to salary and wages account. We can do this adjustment later because we don't know what is the salary payable to C. So we will do that later on. Cash drawings of B is 10,000 has not been accounted. Cash drawings you have to account. That is drawings of B. Debited 10,000 rupees. Drawings. And as this is cash drawings, this should be credited to cash. See the cash. It is given 50,000. 50,000 minus 10. So the cash balance is 40. Cash 40. Cash balance is 40. Next. Cash drawings of B had not been accounted, right? I took it. Then all partners have agreed to transfer rupees 20,000 to the general reserve before appropriation the net profit. You remember in the partnership first class, very first day, I discussed how to transfer to general reserve. Transfers to general reserve should be deducted from the profit of the year. From the net profit, they all have agreed to transfer a certain amount to the general reserve. Reserves are undistributed profits among partners. That is a profit which is not shared among partners. Therefore, before they appropriate the annual profit from that one, deduct transfers to reserves. Transfer to general reserve 20,000. Transfers to general reserve 20,000. Reserve should be a part of capital. So the next thing is after these current account balances, you better show this general reserve. General reserve. Okay. Capital account and current account are the balances which were given to partners. If something is a capital account or current account, those are something given to the partners. Those are already given to them. The right is their partners. But for the general reserve, this is also part of capital. But yet, this 20,000 hasn't been shared among partners. Yet we can't say from this 20 how much we have paid to each partner. 20,000 is there. This is the equity of all the partners. When they want, they can take it out. But yet, a certain portion of the profit we have given, we have transferred somewhere without shared among partners. That is the story. Then, do the initial things. First, few adjustments. A and B were partners, shared profits and losses in the ratio of 3:2. Right? The profit sharing ratio is given. Interest on capital. You remember I discussed last week. When calculating the interest, we have to consider the date the new partner admitted. In this example, the new partner admitted at the beginning of the year. As he admitted at the beginning, when you calculate the interest on capital, you have to balance their capital accounts. On the adjusted balances only you have to calculate the interest. Why? Their account balances were changed at the beginning of the year. New partner came at the beginning of the year. Capital introduction was made at the beginning of the year. The goodwill adjustment also we carried out at the beginning of the year. Therefore, all these adjustments were done at the beginning of the year. Therefore, you have to balance their capital accounts. On the balanced account, on the adjusted accounts only you have to calculate the interest on capital. So, the balanced capital accounts of partners, no more adjustments are affected here. Balance carry down. Is it 224? Is 200. Here that is 76. These are the capital balances of partners. Are these correct? You got these balances? These are the capital balances. On these balances, you have to calculate interest at 10%. Interest on capital is 10%. Take 10% on this. Interest on capital these are the balances. So 22.4, 7.69. Credit goes to partners salary account, interest on capital. $22.4, 20 and 7.6. Interest on capital. Next. Annual salary of each partner is 5,000. This is annual salary. No need to multiply this again by 12. Straight away given the annual salary, that is 5,000. Takes 5,000 each salary. For A, B and C, 5,000. Credit partners current accounts salary. Next. Now take that information which we did not take. This is the third one. She has taken his salary in cash during the whole year. The total amount had been debited to salary and wages. She has taken his salary. You know, C's salary is 5,000. If she has taken this money in cash, that should have debited to C's current account. At the time we give that ownership, we credited it. When it is paid, that should be debited to C's current account. Similar questions you have done, more questions have done. Therefore, this 5,000 should have debited here. But actually it is debited to salary and wages. That is incorrect. How to rectify that? Debit that 5,000 to current account and credit that amount to your salary and wages account. Debit 5,000 here and credit to salary and wages. Crediting to salary and wages means salary and wages should be decreased. Therefore, that 5 should be added here. Salary and wages. Profit increased with that adjustment. Next. Take the other details. Capital balances अभी आता, cash put by COK, current account balances अभी आता. Loan given by A 100,000, take it here and current liabilities. Loan of A 100, and we calculated interest also. Then net profit also recorded here. Debtors 30 and current assets. Land 580, furniture 200, provision for depreciation 30, that is on furniture. Then cash balance that was suggested. Then creditors 10, current liabilities. Closing stock is 7. With that, I took all the details. Then you have to balance this. The profit rectification, 230 plus 5 is 235. This minus 10 is 225. Now take the visible profit. Is it 140? Is it 140? Take share of profits. Then ratio is 2:1. 2:1. We can get 56 and 28. Credit goes to partners current account. Share of profits. Now balance the current account. And these are the balances. The current account balances. $890. Sitting at 890. Sitting at 890. Some students told that you got that answer. Shara, your answer is correct. And Hansini, your total is correct. But though the total is correct, sometimes there may be some problems here. Because since I total 890, that takes anyway, even with some errors also maybe received. Right. Shall we then go to the next question? You want some time to write out this? Right. You want some time to write down? Right. Then take the next question. Read this 10 turn. You should have taken to read out. Then read the question, please. Read the 10th question. Hello. Oh. No. Oh. Oh. Mona class is something on it. Hello. මගේ මොන ක්ලාස් එකකටද එන්න ඕනේ? හෙලෝ. ඔව් මොන ක්ලාස් එකකටද එන්න ඕනේ? ඔයා මේ රිවිෂන් තියරි එන්න ඕන නම් ඔයාලා මම දාලා තිබ්බ මේ ડોකියුමන්ට් එක දැක්කද කියමුද ඒක? ඒතර ඔයාගේ විස්තර ටික මට මේකට WhatsApp මැසේජ් එකක් දැම්මම නම් ඔයාගේ ගෙදරට අපි ටියුට් එක කරනවා. ඒතර ටියුට් එක ගන්න වෙලාවට ක්ලාස් ෆීස් ගෙවන්න පුළුවන්. ඊට පස්සේ අපිට ටිකට මාසෙක 500 දෙන්න පුළුවන්. ඉස්කෝලේ පටන් ගන්නකොට පස්සේ තියරි එක නවතිනවා. රිවිෂන් එක දිගටම කරනවා. ඒකට දැන් මෙහෙමයි දැන් ඔයා යම්කිසි මාසෙක පන්ති ගාසු ගෙවුවට පස්සේ මම ඊට පස්සේ නවත්තන්නේ නැහැ. ඒ කරගෙන යන පාඩම ඉවර කරනවා ඊළඟට. දැන් අපි හිතමුකෝ දැන් ඔය හවුලේ පාර පන්ති මම ෆ්‍රී කරනවානේ. ඒක දිගටම ෆ්‍රී එකේම කරලා ඉවර කරනවා. ඒක ආයි පාරක් එක වෙනස් කරන්නේ නැහැ. ඊට පස්සේ දැන් මම අසම්පූර්ණ සටහන් පාඩම මේ මාසෙ කරන්න දාලා තියෙනවානේ. දැන් ඉස්කෝලේ පටන් ගත්තා අසම්පූර්ණ සටහන් පාඩම දිගටම කරනවා. රිවිෂන් පන්තිය කොහොම වෙතත් ඉවර කරන්නේ නැහැ. ඒක අනිවාර්යයෙන්ම ඔන්ලයින් පන්තියක් විතර දිගටම තියෙනවා. Okay. Right, then I'll give you some time. Please do this, draw the formats and start. Has anyone done this? Curve covering all? No. Well, other than midnight, no response, right? Comments അതിലേക്ക് വന്നിട്ടുണ്ട്. There are three partners, Sahan, Pavan and Leon. Sahan, Pavan and Leon. Do the adjustment first. After completion of the adjustment, please tell me. Then I can start. Because without doing adjustment, I think no use of discussing. Right? You better do the adjustments and please tell me that you have done. When it is completed, please tell me. Right? I am waiting for the response that you have completed. Right? Shall I start? Shall I start or you one more time? තව වෙලාවකද පටන් ගන්නද මොකද කියන්නේ? One more time. Hansini says she has done. Sandhini also done. Sandhini says the SFP agreed at 531. Good. Who else? In 5 minutes I'll start doing. Right. And I'll start with the adjustments. Is it okay to start? Again. Right, okay. ඉක්මනට හදන්න ඕනේ ඉතින් ඈ. නැත්තම් වෙලාවේ අන්තිමට ගණන් හදන්න නේද? Right. Adjustment number 1. I will start with the opening balances. Capital account balances Sahan Pawan 150 and 112. Cash brought by Leon, that is recorded in the trial balance. That means the amount increased by Leon they have already recorded, right? So no need to add that again on cash because that should have accounted. This 100 you can record here, credit, cash. Next, current account balances given Sahan and Pawan 5 and 3. Then go to adjustments. Closing stock is given 23,000. Closing stock you know how to adjust. Deduct it here and show on the current assets. Next, write off 2,000 as impairment, that is bad debts. But trial balance के bad debts क्या करती है ना? In your trial balance, no bad debts. That 2,000 credit to debtors and show as an expense bad debts impairment. Then the debtors balance will be 50. On that 50 you can make the provision. Provision is 10%. $15 to 10% can 5. Provision is 5. Opening provision for doubtful debts 3. Closing provision should be 5. This minus provision for doubtful debts 5. Already there is a provision that is 3. 3 is increased to 5 and the provision of 2,000. And the provision of 2,000. Next one. See the next one. Fixed assets are depreciated at 10% per annum. See the fixed assets. You are given the fixed assets. Motor vehicle 100. Furniture 90. These are 10%. 100 into 10% that is 10. The depreciation of motor vehicle is 10. That plus opening provision of motor vehicle 20. 20 plus 10 is 30. Then furniture 90 to 10% 9. Depreciation of furniture 9. It's 9 plus opening provision 20. That is 29. So within 70, 61. Arithmetic adjustments. Correct. Next. Transfer 20,000 to general reserve. There are also there's a transfer to general reserve 20. Transfer to general reserve. Deduct from profit. Show that here. Reserve is a part of capital. capital account, current account and general reserve you can share as part of capital. It is not accounted the annual rent of the business building owned to Sahan, where the business is operated at 1500 monthly rent. That rent is payable to Sahan. How it is? 1500 is the monthly rent. To get the annual rent, this into 12. 1500 into 12, that is 18,000. Okay? Therefore, the business rent is 18,000, that is payable to Sahan. You know, that 18 should be an expensive rent. Credit this 18 to Sahan's current account. Rent. Next. No interest made in books with respect to the annual salary of 20,000 entitled to Pawan as the marketing manager. So, similar adjustments I have discussed. This salary is paid to Pawan not as a partner, that is as an employee. So that 20 should be an expense. Salary of the marketing manager. That 20 you have to credit to Pawan's current account. Salary. Next one. Partnership salaries of all partners were taken by checks but not accounted. You have to remember that the partner's salary they have taken but not accounted. The similar adjustment in the previous sum also that was there. Goodwill on Leon's admission was 200 but they haven't accounted. So the goodwill 200, credit that according to the old profit sharing ratio and debit according to new profit sharing ratio. Earlier they were equal partners. There are 100 credit 100 each. Goodwill. Debit according to new profit sharing ratio, that is 5:3:2. Debit here goodwill 100, 60 and 40. This is how the goodwill is adjusted. The initial adjustments before the trial balance. Annual salary of each partner is 2,000. Take salary 2,000. Salary Sahan, Pawan and Leon. 2,000, 2,000, 2,000. Credit these partners current account salary. 2,000 each. All partners. If adjustment then go to the adjustment that we have skipped. 7th one. Partnership salaries of all partners were taken by checks. All these salaries they have taken. 2, 2, 2. All the partners taken. All the partners have taken their salaries. 2 each. Debit partners current account salary paid. The salaries paid. So these you have to credit to cash. Those not accounted. Therefore, credit this 6 to cash. You are given the cash. How much? Cash balance given in the trial balance is, you are given the bank balance. Bank is cash. 11. 11 minus 6 is 5. Cash. The cash balance is 6. Then you have to take the other details which we haven't yet considered. Now take the other details. Creditors 15 coming under current liabilities. Loan given by Leon 10. Non-current liabilities. Leon 10. On that 10, the specific rate is not given. When the specific rate is not given, you have to provide 5% rate on that loan, because on the loans given by partners, 5% interest should be paid. Therefore, here Leon has given the loan. On that loan, you have to calculate 5% interest. 10 into 5% is rupees 500, that is 0.5. Interest 0.5. Credit that 0.5 loan current account. Interest 0.5. Next one. Opening stock is 12. Then purchases 280. Debtors we got the provision for impairment already we have taken. Then take drawings. Debit to partners current accounts. 12, 6 and 3. Next. Salary and wages take as an expense here 12. Next. Advertising 3. Next. Motor vehicle gatta, furniture gatta, stationery 7. That should come under expenses. Stationery 7. Then investment 20. That is investment within the economy. That is a non-current assets. Investment 20. There is a finance asset. That should be between non-current assets and current assets. That means that is our non-current assets. That is coming under non-current assets. Then bank balance avigata, freehold land is 300. This is total the expenses. Is it 83.5? Please tell me. Now, how is it? Is the profit 83.5? Yes. Share according to their new profit sharing ratio, that is 5:3:2. New profit sharing ratio is 5:3:2. Yes. That is 16.7. 41.75. 25.05. 16.7. Share of profits. Sahan, Pawan and Leo. Alice. Interest on capital I have taken. Sorry. My interest on capital I have. Wait. I have taken. Hello. I will have interest. Sorry. Mama did I will have. While I keep the eye cutting. ಅದು ನಮ್ಮ ಮನೆ ಹೆಟ್ಟಾಗಲೇ ಕಣ್ಣಾಗ್ಲಿಕ್ಕೆ వాళ్ళు ಹೆಟ್ ಗಿರ್ತಾ ಮಠ ಮಾಡಿ ಅಂತ ಕೇಳಿದಿಲ್ಲ. Here the interest on capital. Right. When you calculate the interest on capital, on which balance you have to take it? Is it on opening balances or adjusted balances? On which balances you have to take it? Opening or adjusted balances? Tell me. That is on opening balances or adjusted balances? That is on adjusted balances. Not again. These are the balances, right? Capital balances, Sahan, Pawan and Leo. He also have to take this. Interest on capital, Sahan, Pawan and Leo. 15, 16 and 6. Interest on capital, 15, 16 and 6. Now take the balance. It's 46.5. Share of profits 23.5, 13.95, 9.3. 32 current accounts, share of profits 23.5, 13.95, 9.3. Then balance the current accounts. For 9.5. Sorry, 12.8. 49.5, 36.95, 12.8. 525, eh? We haven't taken something. What is that? What is the amount I have taken this? Cash balance I have taken. Bank, it is cash and bank same. I haven't taken something. What is it? Yes, here. Pawan's interest on capital is not 6, that is 16. One more error. 15, 16 and 6. But still not agreeing. What else? Interest on Pawan is wrong. Yes. What else? Is that all? Amen. What is the difference? Right. This is not 23.5, eh? This is 23.25, that is the reason. Interest on capital is 23.25. This is 23.25. is 524. It is the diagonal is not 6, that is 5, it is 70. 524. So agreeing at 524. Right? Now. Right. Then shall we discuss the last part of this lesson, retirement of a partner. Right. Now, initially I discussed how to prepare accounts for a partnership without any admission or retirement or something. Then, in last couple of questions I discussed how to account when a new partner is admitted to the partnership. The last area of the partnership lesson, how to account when an existing partner retires from the partnership. Okay. Take a topic. You want some time to write down this? You want some time to write down this? Yes or no? Yes na yes කියලා දාන්න නැත්නම් no කියලා දාන්න ඔය රෙස්පොන්ස් කරනවා please. No කියලා දාන්න නැත්නම් දාන්න හැමෝම මුත් දාන්න යන රෙස්පොන්ස්. ඒ හැම වෙලෙම ළමයි yes or no whatever the response you have to say, right? Otherwise how to decide whether to do or not. අනිත් මතක තියාගන්න මට ඔයාලා පේන්නේ නැහැ කියන එක. මම ඔයාලා කිසිම කෙනෙක් දැකලා නෙමෙයි උගන්වන්නේ. එතකොට ඔයාලා දැනගන්නවා රෙස්පොන්ස් එකක් දෙන්නේ. ඔයාලා නිකන් මාදියා කරලා ඉන්නවා මාදියා වල දේ කරන්නේ. යූසර්ස් තියෙන්නේ. Right. Then next topic, retirement of a partner. Retirement of a partner. Retirement of a partner. Retirement of a partner. Let's see how to account when a partner is retired from the partnership. Okay, let's see. How to account when a partner is retired? What are the special adjustments you require when an existing partner retires from the partnership? We can easily learn that using this example. Right? Say, Sahan wants to retire from this partnership. Just let's see. Sahan wants to retire from this partnership. At the time, so at the end of the year, after all these transactions, Sahan wants to retire from the partnership. Just calculate and tell me, if Sahan retires from this partnership, what is the total amount owed to Sahan from this partnership? If Sahan retires from this partnership at the year end, what is the total amount payable to Sahan on his retirement? Quickly calculate and tell me. I'll give you 1 minute. If Sahan retires from the partnership, what is the total amount due to Sahan from the partnership? The resignation. Sadhina says that is 199.25. Hansini also say, yes, I think the answer is correct. Remember, at the time a partner retires from the partnership, the total ownership means the total of his capital account and current account. That should be the total of the capital and current accounts. If Sahan retires from the partnership, the total amount payable to Sahan is the total of is 150 and 49.25. His capital balance, capital account balance 150, current account balance 49.25. Altogether 199.25. This is how you should compute the amount payable to the retired partner. Is it clear? Is that clear? The way you take the total amount payable to the partner? Right. Remember that is the total of current account balance and capital account balance, the total of both. If you understood this part, you remember the steps I discussed when a new partner admitted to the partnership? I discussed last week. If a partner admitted to the partnership, there are some steps to follow. Similarly, when partner retires from the partnership also, there are some steps to follow. I will show you those steps. You must do these adjustments. Adjustment on retirement of a partner. Number one, if you are told that a partner retires from the partnership, first adjustment you have to do is do the goodwill adjustment. Do the goodwill adjustment. Adjustment number one is goodwill adjustment. Number two, share the profits. Share the profits among partners. Here also there is something to learn. I think you all remember the thing I discussed last week. This is the beginning of the year, say 1st January 2019, this is 31st December 2019. If the partner retires at the end of the year, keep listening properly. If the partner retires at the end of the year, if he retires at the end of the year, profit appropriation should be prepared for all the partners. See, partners are A, B and C. If C retires at the end of the year, for the existing year also C was a partner, because he retires at the end of the year. But if that partner retires at the beginning of the year, if C retires at the beginning of the year, he was not a partner for the current year. Therefore, if the partner retires at the end of the year, you have to share the profit among all the partners. If the partner retires at the end of the year, share the profits among all partners. But see, C retires at the beginning of the year. At the beginning of the year only he retired. If the partner retired at the beginning of the year, that retired partner, if it is C, C was not a partner for the current year. Therefore, when you share the profits for this year, share the profits among, if you retired at the beginning of the year, you have to share the profits among other partners. If the partner retired at the end, share the profits among all partners for the current year. If the partner retired at the beginning of the year, don't give a certain share of profits to the retired partner, you have to share the profit among other partners. Is it correct? Is it clear? Is that profit sharing? Understood. Right. Then write down retirement of partners, tell them right under that. Following adjustments required. Following adjustments are required. Following adjustments are required on retirement of partners. Following adjustments are required on retirement of partners. following adjustments are required on retirement of partners. Number one, goodwill adjustment. Number one, goodwill adjustment. Number one, goodwill adjustments. Number two, share profits. Right on that. If the partner retired at the end of the year, if the partner retired at the end of the year, profit should be shared among all the partners. Profit should be shared among all the partners. But if the partner retired at the beginning of the year, at the beginning of the year, profit appropriation should be prepared. Profit appropriation should be prepared. Profit appropriation should be prepared only for the other partners. Only for the other partners. Number three. Then see the next one. So the second one we have done goodwill adjustment. Then share of profits. Now it's okay. The third one is this one. At the time the partner retires, I calculated the total ownership of the retired partner equals capital account balance and current account balance. As the next step, what you have to do is, you have to take this current account balance. In this case, that is 49.25. The both capital account balance and current account balance you have to take together. Now it is in two separate accounts. How to take this together? This balance you have to transfer to capital account. Current account balance of the retired partner you have to transfer to his capital account. How to do that? Current account debit, credit this to capital account. This 49.2 debit to current account and credit here. Credit here. This is not current account. Current account debit, capital account credit. When you transfer this amount here, this will be 299.2. Right? Then take the difference 299.2. That is the profit. 199. Easy to understand. When the partner retires, the last step, the third one, current account balance is transferred to his capital account. In the capital account, then you can take, this is the total amount payable to retired partner. Is it clear? Third one, transfer current account balance. Transfer current account balance of the retired partner. Transfer the current account balance of retired partner to his capital account. To his capital account. Transfer the current account balance of retired partner to his capital account. To his capital account. Right. If I repeat again, it, adjustment 1 got goodwill. Number 2, share the profits. If partner retired at the beginning, don't give any share of profit of this year for the retired partner. But partner retired at the end of the year, you have to prepare the appropriation and share the profit even to the retired partner. Third one, take the current account balance of the retired partner, transfer that to capital account of the retired partner. Then you can take the total amount payable to retired partner in his capital account. Now it is visible in the capital account of the partner. Now you have to do whatever the thing told in the question. If question says amount payable to S was paid in cash, you are told that cash paid to Sahan, then what happens? If this amount paid in cash, cash account credit, capital account debit. In case it is paid in cash, if it is paid, capital account debit, cash account debit. If question asks you, no, it is not paid in cash, that is payable, therefore transfer that amount to the loan account of the retired partner. If it is paid, capital account debit, cash account credit. If it is not paid, then not paid. Not paid means it is payable. Therefore, that is transferred to the loan account of the retired partner. Therefore, capital account debit, loan account credit. Is it clear? තේරුණාද මෙහෙම කරන්නේ ඇයි කියලා? පාර්ට්නර් රිටයර් වෙනකොට ඉස්සෙල්ලාම මොකද කරන්නේ? goodwill adjustment එක කරනවා. ඊට පස්සේ profit share කරනවා. හැබැයි profit sharing adjustment එක කරන්නේ එයා අවුරුද්දේ අග රිටයර් වුණොත් විතරයි. අවුරුද්දේ මුලදී රිටයර් වුණොත් එහෙම රිටයර් වෙච්ච කෙනාට profit share එකක් දෙන්නේ නැහැ අපි. ඊට පස්සේ කරන්නේ current account balance එක capital account එකට transfer කරනවා. එතකොට අපිට ලේසි. මේක තව කෙනෙකුට වෙන වෙන විදිහකට කරන්න පුළුවන්. මට ඒක තමයි මේ step ටික මෙහෙම යන්න that's easy for you. මේක මේකට transfer කළාට පස්සේ capital account එකේ හැදෙනවා එයාට ගෙවන්න ඕනේ මුළු ගාන. The total ownership of the retired partner. So if you have paid it in cash, capital account debit, cash account credit. If you haven't yet paid it, it is payable in capital account debit, loan account of the retired partner credit. That loan should be shown in SOFP. That should be recorded in SOFP under non-current liabilities. If it is not yet paid. If it is paid in cash, no problem. You have to credit that to cash. Simple. So, මේ මනුස්සයාගේ මේ capital current account columns cancel වෙලා යනවා. ඉතුරු වෙන්නේ කවුද? ඉතුරු දෙන්නාගේ capital and current account columns ඉතුරු වෙනවා. ඒක තමයි කරන්නේ. අපි step number 3 වෙනකන් ලියවනේ. Write the fourth one. Fourth step. Total amount owed to the retired partner. Total amount owed to the retired partner should be accounted as follows. Number 1, if it is paid in cash, write the journal entry. Retired partners capital account debit retired partners, capital account debit. Retired partners, capital account debit. Cash account credit. Retired partners, capital account debit. Cash account credit. Problem number 2. If payable amount is transferred to a loan account. If payable amount is transferred to a loan account. Retired and the amount is transferred to the loan account. The entry is retired partners capital account debit. 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 Loan account credit. Retired partners capital account debit. Loan account credit. මට ඔයාලගේ පොඩි උදව්වක් ඕනේ. ඒක තමයි දැන් ඔයාලට තේරෙනවා මේ යන විදිහට අපිට ඩිසෙම්බර් විතර නෙමෙයි මට හිතෙන්නේ ජනවාරි පෙබ්‍රුවරි ඔන්ලයින් කරන්න වෙන සීන් එකක් තියෙන්නේ. එතකොට අපිට තව කරන්න ඉතුරු වෙලා තියෙන ලෙසන්ස් තමයි හෙට අපි පටන් ගන්නවා incompleted records in the normal theory class. After completion of partnerships, then we can go for other lessons. Accounting for non-profit objective organizations and companies. तर මේ වැඩේ ඉක්මනට යනවානේ. අපි දවස් දෙකකදී කරා යනවා. මම මේක එක්ස්ට්‍රා ක්ලාස් එකක් කරන්නේ. හරිද? එතකොට කොහොම හරි මට ඔයාලගේ උදව්වක් ඕනේ. ඔයාලගේ ඉස්කෝලවල ඉන්න යාළුවන්ට පොඩ්ඩක් මැසේජ් එක දීලා පුළුවන් නම් යාළුවන්ව අපේ ක්ලාස් එකට ජොයින් කරවන්න. ඔයාලා කැමති නම් මම ඔයාලට ලින්ක් එකක් එවන්නම් WhatsApp group එකේ. පොඩ්ඩක් ඒක ඉස්කෝලේ යාළුවෝ අතර ෂෙයා කරන්න. පුළුවන් නම් ඉස්කෝලේ WhatsApp group එකක් තියෙනවා නම් ෂෙයා කරන්න පුළුවන් නම් ඒක ෂෙයා කරන්න. මොකද සමහර වෙලාවට ළමයින්ට ප්‍රශ්න තියෙනවා accounts වලට හරි පන්ති හොයාගැනීමේ ගැටලුවක් තියෙනවනේ. මම ඔයාලට දැන් එවන්නම් මේ ක්ලාස් එක ඉවරනකොටම ඔයාලගේ WhatsApp group එකට link එකක්. ඒ link එක පුළුවන් නම් එහෙම යාළුවෝ අතර ෂෙයා කරලා හෙට දවසේ ක්ලාස් එකට යාළුවව join කරවන්න. මොකද හෙට ක්ලාස් එකට first day of the month of December, therefore anyone can participate for tomorrow class without any payment. Therefore it is a help for me. මම හිතනවා ඔයාලා ඒක කරයි කියලා. මොකද අලුත් ළමයින්ට අපිව සම්බන්ධ කරවන්න අපිව දැනගන්න හම්බ වෙන එක ලොකු දෙයක් අවස්ථාවක්. That is a chance for me and for them also. So I seek your help for this case. Please share this link which I supposed to send you right now. It's like send කරන්න ඊට පස්සේ අපි හෙට we can start the incompleted records tomorrow. Then we'll see how we can do it. මට මතක තමයි ඊයේ in the last class we completed the manufacturing account, right? Manufacturing account I completed with you. Yes or no? Except the self studies, other questions I completed. I remember one more question was there to discuss. One more question was there to discuss. Please do it. And other questions you have to do you want because those are self studies. Right. Please then share the link now I publish in the group. Right. Thank you very much for the help and for the participation. Right.